Ready to launch your business? Getting your employer identification number is a must. It's your ticket to handling taxes and hiring employees. In just a few simple steps, you can get it hassle-free. Let's walk through the process together. So, hello everyone, and welcome back in another video where I will show you how to get your employer identification number, or let's say an EIN. So, the first step that I have to do is just dive into IRS.gov and you'll find this page as you can see. So an employer identification number, also known as a federal tax identification number, is a unique 9-digit number assigned by the IRS to identify your business for tax purposes. It functions much like a social security number for individuals, helping the government track your business activities. And EIN is essential for various reasons, including filing taxes, opening a business bank account, and hiring employees. Whether you are starting a sole proprietorship or partnership or corporation, obtaining an EIN is a crucial step in establishing your business. Understanding its importance can help you navigate the complexities of running a business with confidence. So let's get started. So here we have how can we help you. For example, we have here keep your refund status, make a payment, use our tax help, sign into your account, file your taxes for free, apply for an employee ID number, EIN. Get your tax record, find form and instruction, check your amended return. So we just need this one. And if we just scroll down, we'll find your tools and application, news and announcement, and other things. As you can see. So let's get started. The first step that I have to do is just click over file and you choose business and self-employed. Once you do that, you will find this page. As you can see, here we have tax information for business. So we have here tax informations, tools and resources for businesses and self-employed. You choose, for example, if it's employee ID number, prepare your tax here. Then we have employment tax, estimated tax, and we have the last one, which is Foreign Account Tax Compliance Act (FATCA). So here we have prepared tax such as standard rate, business tax credits, deduct expenses, employment taxes, excise taxes, gift tax, and business tax transcripts. Also here we have businesses and self-employed. You can choose this one, or small business and self-employed, large business, corporations, and partnership. So once you read all this information, you have just to choose first of all employer ID number. Once you do that, you'll find this page as you can see, employer ID number. Here we have an employee identification number, is also known as a federal tax identification number, and it is used to identify a business entity. Generally, businesses need an EIN. You may apply for an EIN in various ways. And now you may apply online. This is a free service offered by the Internal Revenue Service and you can get your EIN immediately. You must check with your state to make sure you need a state number or characters. So here we have some questions. Just click over it and you get your answer. Do you need an EIN? Do you need a new EIN? And how to apply for an EIN. So you can just right now to click over apply for an EIN online, then you will find this page. Here we have apply for an employer identification number EIN online. So the first step, determine your eligibility. You may apply for an EIN online if your principal business is located in the United States. Then we have here the person applying online must have a valid taxpayer identification number. Then we have here we are limited to one EIN per responsible party per day. Then the second step, which is understand the online application. You must complete this application in one session, as you will not be able to save and return at a later time. Then we have your session will expire after 15 minutes of inactivity and you will need to start over. Then the last step, which is submit your application. After all validations are done, you will get your EIN immediately upon completion. You can then download, save, and print your EIN confirmation notice. Once you do that, you have just to click over Apply Online. You have also read this information to more understand how it works with getting EIN or how to get your EIN. Once you click over Apply Now, you'll find this page. Here we have EIN Assistant. So about the EIN Assistant, you must complete this application in one session for security purposes. Your session will expire and we have here will receive your EIN immediately upon verification. Then we have here if you wish to receive your confirmation letter online, we strongly recommended that you will install the application before beginning the application if it's not already installed. Then we have here restrictions and then you click over begin application. Once you do that, you will find other page, which is this one. What type of legal structure is applying for an EIN? You choose, for example, if it's sole proprietor, partnerships, corporations, limited liability company, estate, trusts, and we have your additional types also. Then you click over continue and you will find this one. Please tell us about responsible party. This one, you have just to add your first name and you add your middle name or initial, then the last name. Also we have here the suffix, for example if you are junior, sir, or etc. Then we have here SSN or ITIN, so you have just to add your SSN or ITIN. Then we have here choose one. If you are a responsible and duly authorized partner or general partner of this partnership, then we have here I'm a third party applying for an EIN on behalf of this partnership. Once you click for continue, you will find this page. We are unable to provide you with an EIN, and then you are done with getting your EIN assistant. So here we have it. All right. Then here we have about identify, then we will link your addresses, details, and EIN confirmation. Then you get started with that. So this is it for this video, guys. I hope it has been useful and helpful, and see you again in the next video. So you have just to follow the steps that I already mentioned here, and then you get started. You have to determine your eligibility, understand the online application, submit your application, then you done with getting your EIN, or let's say an employer ID number. So this is it for this video, guys. I hope it has been useful and helpful. See you again in the next video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and if you have any question, feel free to ask in the comment section below. I will be happy to help you guys, and see you again in the next video.